Simple, quick, and delicious. This Instant Pot carrots recipe couldn't be more convenient to balance out any savory dish during the upcoming holiday season. Let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to another one of our videos. I hope you are doing well and staying safe. In today's video, we are making this delicious Instant Pot carrots recipe. It's very cool. To begin, add melted butter over the carrots. We are using baby carrots. Once you add your melted butter, go ahead and add in your cinnamon and salt, followed by the brown sugar. We are using dark brown sugar. Once you've added the brown sugar, mix everything in. And add in the vanilla extract. Continue mixing to combine. Once you are done, transfer the carrots to the Instant Pot. After adding the carrots to the Instant Pot, close the lid, turn the knob to sealing, and pressure cook for 6 minutes. Give it a quick stir. Transfer to a bowl to be served. And that's it. It's as quick and easy as that. The full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. We look forward to seeing you on our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers!